Now these styles, they're all embedded, and that means that they're only going to apply to this page. But what I want to do is I want all of my other pages to look the same as page 1. So the easiest way to do that is to take these styles and move them into an external style sheet. So I'm going to shift click to select all the styles, and then just right click and move CSS rules, and it asks me where do I want to move these. So I want to create a new style sheet. I'm going to click OK, and then I'm going to navigate to that same folder, or you can put them in any folder. Sometimes people have one folder just for all of their styles. And I'll just call this Styles Week 5. You can call it whatever you want, but you have to use the usual rules of file naming. No spaces, no illegal characters. It's generally better to keep them all lowercase. So I'll click OK, click Save, and then what's happened is it just put these styles into this external style sheet. And you can tell because notice that this has the file name. It ends with a .css. If it just looks like this, just the word style, then that means it's embedded. Now that this style is external, I can link to it. Now that the style sheet is external, I can link to it from other pages. So let me give you an example of that. If I go to page 2, then I can just go over to the Styles panel and then use this icon, Attach Style Sheet, and then just browse for that style sheet. Click OK, and then notice it gets applied to it immediately. So I'll do that for the other 2 pages. Notice it remembers the last style sheet I linked to, so it makes it very easy. I don't have to browse for it after the first time. So now all of my 4 pages, they all look the same. So I'm going to switch over to the style sheet and save that. And if you like, you can you could go through and look at that style sheet and learn something about how the syntax looks and how it works. So if I go back to my page 1 and hit F12, then I can see that now every page has these styles. Whoops, page 3 doesn't. Maybe I just need to refresh it, or maybe I forgot. Let's see if I got it onto page 4. Looks like I didn't save it. So if I go back to Dreamweaver, oh yeah, see that the asterisk up here shows that I didn't save that page. So I'm going to save it. I'm going to save page 4, and then let me go back to my browser and then just refresh that, and then notice that now it's working. It's showing those styles. So the beauty of this is that if I go into Dreamweaver and let me go back into Design View, and then if I change these styles here, it's going to change them for all of the pages that link to it all at once.